today.
It's your girl Michelle.
It's your girl Margie. Alright guys, so based on the title, you guys know what we're up to today. We will be doing the spell or pie challenge. How it works? Alright, let me tell you how it works. We'll be divided into two teams.
So we have number 1 and 2 written in duplicates on these papers. So that's how we're going to choose our team members shortly.
And then we'll be picking a word from this jar. Now we don't know what these words are. My brother actually wrote them, so he deposited them into the jar, and that's so we're gonna choose a word from it. After we choose a word from it, we'll be giving our opponent the word to spell. If they spell it correctly, they get a point. If they spell it incorrectly, they get a pie. What kind of pie, you may ask? Of course, we never go bake one bag of pie and we not waste food.
So we have our whipped cream right here. We will each be having our cake plates, or in this case our pie plates. So we'll spread
Whipped cream on it and bam. You know, should I give them an example?
It's alright.
Alright, so you understand? It's not hard. Simple. Let's go. Let us choose our team. So guys, what I'm going to do is just clear the way. And these are the letters. So I'm going to throw them up and drop them. I want to just grab a letter. Don't open it yet. Ready? Oh yeah, before we begin, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, we're almost there to our goal at 1,000 subscribers. Make sure not send the link to the friends, family, member, everybody, guys. Even the baby wanna barn it. Cause we know you realize everybody have an Instagram. Before you have a burnt paper, you have an Instagram. Make sure them subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's go. And now grab lunch. Alright, there. What am I again?
Yeah, Margie, done.
What am I again?
1. I got 2.
Girl!
So you can call it me and Margie.
Why? I got 1. Colette 1 because we are number 1. So now number 2.
We're number 2.
Second place.
Maybe they can't see.
Alright. So we need to rock paper scissors to see who is going first. Who is going first? So which I guess me and Margie rock paper scissors since we in the middle.
Since in the middle. After stress.
Ready, steady, go. Rock paper scissors shoot. Alright, rock paper scissors then shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ready? We never tell you good at this. Listen, no. Ready, steady, go. Rock paper scissors shoot.
We have to start first.
What?
They must start first.
Wait, my phone do like family feud. We don't want to start.
Whoa, okay.
Alright. So guys, we are about to begin. So we'll be choosing the word first and giving our opponents. Come call it, you pick. A 1?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Alright. So our first word is, oh, we choose who want to answer it.
Really?
Yeah. Mela say Rochelle. Rochelle, spell melodious. What should I get the pie ready?
MELODIOUS. Melodious. And somebody, hey, you're going now. You're going.
Alright, them get a point. Them get a point. Them survive.
I can't spell.
What kind of little word that you pick, Colette?
That's a little.
A 1?
I said spell? Weird.
Why? Light gun?
Like around here, so tonight make a lot of video we have film. Can't be. Come back.
Blackout.
Like, I second time, like, I go in my video, now. Anyways.
Blackout.
Come. What the word? Who know how to spell it first?
Okay, call it.
Collect them and pick pie.
I know.
Logically, if you ever make me get pie. By the way, guys, if one opponent gets it wrong,
Both of them.
yeah,
will
if
get
one
pie.
team member gets it wrong, both of them get pie.
Whip.
Lord Jesus, we're
So
nervous.
the word for collect is deficiency.
Deficiency.
So you can break it up if you want to. If you want me to give you a definition, I will.
I met my friend that now.
Alright, so the word deficiency.
Yeah, you want to use that sentence?
Can I have the meaning, please?
Come on, spell the word. D.
She say goodbye to my pretty face.
DEFICIENCY.
Yeah, to my eyes.
Yeah, man.
I me pick now. Alright. So my word is from Marge. Because she next. My door shut already. Marge. Spell prestigious. Spell it, girl.
P.
No, not in there. No, in there.
Oh, please. She's clearing her throat.
RESTIGIOUS.
Wrong.
Go ahead, girl. Go away. Go away, Shelly. You
Alright,
feel
go
away.
on.
You feel away.
But I think we need to try have like a whipped cream. It never melt. Find it something. So we need for ready. We need for ready when it gets wrong. Suppose I'm here actually gonna get this one. Nah, them word there. Them easy though. That's the easy word. Them can't spell it now. Come on, let's go ahead. Man, we'll find some hard one down the line. So let's go. This go. Let's go.
Oh, but that's pretty good, guys.
That's so much? Give me something I'm gonna eat. Go feed Hershey's chocolate thing, huh?
Rachel, is that smoothie I make on my face? Alright. What's the word?
Consequence.
Can't eat.
What
And
an
it's for
embarrassment.
Shelly.
What an embarrassment. Use it in a sentence.
You spell the word.
If you don't spell the word, the consequence is whipped cream to the face.
Yeah.
Consequence. I feel like it's easy to spell and me overthink it and I get it wrong. Like I just need to just spell it out.
Spell it out.
CONSEQUENCE.
Correct.
You know, to the rush the little simple word. Them
Shelly, why do you
come
forget so much whip?
Can't use anybody.
Alright,
Rochelle, the word is inconvenience.
Let's spell it again. Might get the money wrong, but let me try. INCONVENIENCE. Okay.
Wrong.
For sure?
Wrong. It right.
Me wrong?
No. Come, pick another.
Sure.
She never
Yeah,
can-
freaking know, you know.
Just need to spice up it.
I hope we can find some of her. Dig up. Alright. Shelly, your word. Parliament.
Parliament. P-A-R-I. What am I there? Wait. No. Oh,
No,
I'm
wrong.
nervous.
It's wrong.
No, wait, look, I'm sorry. We do this.
Oh, well, the I come from Paris. A parliament can spell.
Parliament. Parliament. What?
And your father, what?
Look there.
me take
She
off.
looking at my ear.
Oh, Shade. Is one
Me and say I have to do a weird thing. You never see them do them something.
Me now.
We have to take this something in our face. That's what I'm take.
So why in that bush we have?
Because me I wonder what my friend, but not even realize. She just pick up this something.
Kaya, I chew your push off your hand, you know.
Call it. You never friend now when you go. Like that's even
Come,
weird.
turn you on. Come now, Shade.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Me not get no word wrong. Me not get no word wrong. According time. Let us go.
guys.
Call it. Come over, call it.
Oh, my turn? Sorry for that information. Anyways,
At least I get one wrong, so it's a start.
Rochelle. Investigational.
Investigational. INVESTI. GATIONAL. Investigation.
Call it. Outrageous.
I'm just Shade.
Oh, man, tell her do it to me. I.
Outrageous. That's right.
Outrageous. OUTRAGIOUS. I want me say wrong.
We're not gonna tell you. When I get the word first.
G-O-U-S.
Oh shoot.
G-Ways, eh? G-Ways, eh? Where's the one? Where's the one? G-One?
E-O-U-S.
Oh, I think I said G-O.
Alright,
So we can do it now, we get permission? I want to get permission this time, no people. I want to get permission this time before I do it. So should I give me permission? I'm not going to do it.
Alright, you know a permission.
Should I give me permission?
Come let me do it myself.
No.
Come there, come.
Hey.
Them a warrior, no.
Come. Alright, what is that
Go
time? Go on, what is that
take my
time?
time. I take my time.
Go on, call it get it wrong first. So Shem gets it
Alright, go
first.
on. Things that you get the word.
Move your hand before I reach their ear.
Or add make you reject it. Alright, buddy, that's why we come and do. You don't think you reach for that face?
Make sure.
not cable girl.
Eat it, man. Eat it. It tastes nice. Vanilla. Ready?
You need to go for your face,
Face
sister.
massage. Like a face massage is good.
I don't think they've understand all this stuff.
understand it. Wait, man.
If I
They
massage
want
it
it
in
on
my
a
face, me
pizza.
can't just dash it, so no.
But not
The pie would that different from this.
The more other one, cause my eye feels sticky. So go done. You just need to wipe it. Alright. You know what? Taste it again. The camera still running, right? Cause my eye blurry. I know it's not my head. No, just the pineapple edges. And my head out. It burn eye? No, like the plastic. I feel sticky. No, like that. Like everything look. Body. Yeah.
Probably must say the easy one, them man.
No, sir.
The Russian.
Privilege.
PRIVILEGE. Is that correct? Okay, good.
Alright guys, wanna see what them did to me? But don't worry, we're back. We are back. Who for choose the word? Uno?
We.
Alright, go on.
Oh yeah.
I would choose it. Call it. Cause good one, that's great.
You love me, though.
Like she's smart but a good while.
This one might be tricky. Fright.
Tell them like it. The more it's about my face. Hey, chest, fairly good.
It's a tricky word.
Give me the meaning of the word.
Yeah, because you have two types for you.
Not the one when you frightened or afraid.
So you know that the C something
Yeah.
shipping.
Shipping.
Yeah, girl.
Right.
FREIGHT.
Correct.
Talk up. Right.
Right.
Rochelle.
No, I mean, why you know from when margin I get nowhere?
No, you said nauseous.
NASE. No,
That don't fear. It don't fear because if you never start off in a continent,
NAUS.
no, Rochelle.
NAUS.
It don't fear. But tell you this, you can't do that. And the same thing you do. You can't.
No,
Me I do you first. Rochelle, come move your hand and take it like a man. Remember the Rochelle.
Do it.
Move your hand type
No,
not
not my
going to your ear.
eyes.
So wait, you also
Come.
I don't say you have feelings. Come, girl. Wait, no, we never. Oh, wait, you think I would go? Calm down, no. Smile, no, stop the running. That's
In my nose.
yeah.
Actually, I taste it in my nose.
Where you think our one did I go? Cause you did a do. You did a something different from stand up at.
Oh my. Them cute, no true.
No, but that's how we get Rochelle the word. Give me no. Yeah.
Why give me word?
Cry.
I'm magic. I know she don't understand that one. They're good. But so I just see about it. Yeah. No, listen. Wanna try take weed on the feelings.
Give a piece more then.
Yeah.
Because it look like say, no quality, it's that one there for me, man.
Take it.
Tell him son if it's smile.
Come, ready, guys. Give him nice again. But that's what I feel.
I told you man, don't pick back in on that side again.
Yeah, but yeah, yeah. If help was a person. And when me I say collect, you don't have anything to say collect. Nah, help me. And you over your skin teeth. Stop, come. I Google where I Google now. Eh?
No, we have more. Which part to work?
That word.
If I have words, sit down there.
You sure them look on them?
But my eyes were closed.
Okay.
I'm not for Sean. Oh, for them give we one word now? Oh, we forget them. Shade, no. Yes, down the shade. Don't make you see.
Neesberry.
Or Nesberry.
Neesberry. Jamaican Neesberry. Shade.
Yo! I actually have a tree like this in the yard, but them not tell you how to spell it. Anyway, Nesberry, guys. Neesberry. I can't just draw it and tell no it look.
No, it's spelling bee, not drawing bee.
That's right.
Me I tell them but how them do that. Cause you have the British spelling and then you know the American
spelling. We make
spelling.
you know which one right.
And they have the Jamaican
Spell
spelling.
both.
Since I'm Jamaica,
No,
But
that
then
we
no.
don't want the Jamaican spelling.
guys, you see if me get it wrong and them just them heated there hot for we later gonna be a black.
You call it a piece from now.
Come on, no keep on something over there. Cause she go get it.
Shade,
right.
go list it, please.
N-E.
Shade, I just take it from the oldest.
So, since I any me did that. What you
Come on, go easy.
roll up applause. Here you go, easy for my eye. I mean, not even get for the Rochelle one.
Yeah, no problem. You need to look at it. Why you need to look at it?
Come Rochelle, you know you're rough, you know.
My friend. What you do? You just have to put it on my face.
Oh, you go first.
You see how what is it?
Come, call it. Close the
You
eyes.
see how me the box you have? Alright. Which Rochelle had never made me do that to you, so stop it. And stop now step the room. It's a pitney.
I'm sorry, feelings are carried over to some people, so I'll give you words now.
I'll be a Rachel will give the word then, right?
No, what I get?
Margie,
Wow.
spell maneuver.
What's on?
Put on the phone.
It's not.
So put it down.
MANUEVER.
It wrong? So how that spell? Wait, spell it for you have to correct it.
MANOEUVRE.
A sex spell?
Yeah.
No!
Google
A search spell? I don't think so, you know. I don't
Yeah.
think so. So all this time, I spell the word wrong.
Show the word. Hold on.
No.
Yeah, that means that you must have two ways to spell it. Oh. No, man, you must have two ways to spell it. Cause you have one here, MANEUVER, and then you have this one.
What that you say? Any one of them will spell that you say?
Yeah, no, how you spell it a while ago? No, MANE. Oh, that's what it is?
Me just think about me in my head, me I say,
I
Come
thought
back.
she
At
said
10 o'clock curfew?
yeah.
After 10 now, come. Oh yeah, do Margie and you got the Rachel?
No, me do Marshall. I go, oh, it's a Rochelle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just take my people from now. Sorry, Rochelle. I never will spell
They're gonna give
it.
it hard word, anyway.
And don't come for me, cause you
No,
come
so
for
guess
me
what? We just
last
gonna do them. Why do this good and done? Cause they were gonna do it back.
time. Come, me now go for it.
Since that she get the word right. Remember when you do the face a while ago? And you swirl it wrong. Come in at the camera, Kale. Bring her in at the camera. Bring her in at the camera.
Okay.
Bring her, come, Kale. Do it. Man, hold on. Swirl it, Kale. Up, you have to swirl it, Kale.
That's such a good. Now hold them, because they will move. Who know how that go for? Anywhere do me give it when I go spell it good. So come. Come, please. Me can't see, bro. Anywhere do me give it when I go can't spell it.
You see them things that mash up your eye?
No, don't worry about it if I say it pronounced.
Don't do it. Don't try this in school.
When you come to me now, no mean she give word for spelling last time. Me no business how she give when I go get it right.
This is our next word.
I'm gonna go with next word, Rochelle.
Cause we know where I get this wrong. We're ready now with cream so done. Guys, we not spell them right, alright? Right now I just shot the bus. It's a clash.
A clash.
Yeah, Shade, you get Shade. No, she spelled Nesbury. So I call it for spell.
Sure. Come.
Come in and
Quiche.
call it. Oh, I'm not saying nothing. Quiche.
She had done with cream for me and me not start spelling word yet.
Really, that can't believe no start appear.
Stop there now.
No,
Oh, it done.
come out.
It done.
Yeah. Continue.
But just spell it and done, yeah. That's winner. QU.
What am I think I'm so excited to me know for spelling?
Do you know for spelling?
Continue.
Cause them ever put me.
Please say me and
Them
put one letter.
them ever say me at
QUESH.
no. They ever say me a
Me put one I,
QUICHE.
Oh, you have to spell it.
I mean, I'm gonna
You
spell
see
it. Me have
my phone.
sense. Me have sense.
I know.
And the C and the
I'm
H
putting
and
in
the
the
E.
E.
Where you get the S from?
Come there.
girl.
Come there.
What you do? Check if it's still round.
Come.
No, me do Shade, no.
Easy for
Alright, let's go on.
first.
No. Oh,
Who for word is Rochelle?
No, me just spell. Oh, no. Cool.
Connoisseur.
Oh, God. Is it dinosaur or connoisseur? Huh?
Not dinosaur, miss. So what kind of
Is it
word?
spelled like dinosaur?
Is that synonym or phonics this? Spell the word.
Could you repeat it for me?
You get the word right.
give me
Is
this
it
word.
ka? Na or kano?
Hold on, the eye.
Yeah,
Which
go
one?
on,
Is it
baby.
Canno or Canna?
You see, I'm hold it when Khaled that spell for your word. My ear a pip out of you, but spray the back for you.
My feet are cute stuff.
Let me see you say nothing.
You know,
El
my
Fire or nothing.
Q U A N. If I spell it wrong, shall I just whip me?
No, go on, go on.
Continue.
A
Oh, okay.
S O.
What's the way you get the Q from?
You think it was a trick word?
So the truth, but I was like, yeah. Tell it.
I done it.
Alright, ready?
Come, call it. Come.
No? Call it just there. And you get it wrong. Come in the video like, girl.
Give me a
Take
minute.
it. Take your last shot.
I could have dropped.
Take your last shot, B.
Go ahead.
Rachel, this is everything you ever did to me.
So that come back, go back, Mr. Shade. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, pa me pa.
Come. The bottom slippery, I can't even hold it.
Come, na Shade. My nose, them a drop out.
Your nose a drop out.
Yeah.
Ready? Like your eye, baby. Now you. Whoa! Plaster girl. Plaster girl. Facial.
Ear shall not.
Oh god.
Help, help, help.
So you see, Kalina, do you good?
One more.
One eye.
Alright, our last word.
Ready.
Oh, they do it a while ago.
Call it.
Call it time or Shade time. Shade, may I give this? Shade, your word is? Unless I can't pronounce it, so I'm going to use.
What she said?
Kiaris Christ. In American English. Kiaris Christ. Kiaris Christ.
Talk to it if you hear what she said.
English.
Kiara's crest.
I'll tell you another one. I think this is British.
Brit.
Chiaroscurist.
Chiaroscurus, and that word that one spelling bee girl when win
Chiaroscurus.
spelling bee.
Giara Screws.
An artist who specializes in chiaroscuro.
Chiaro Screws. Alright, that definitely start with a Q. Chiaro.
Shade.
What?
Oh, never mind. I call it with the same, not you. No, I call it look for the word, you know. I think,
They find me.
I can't even pronounce it.
Is it a Q or a I? Is it a Q or a K? Chiaro
So, me
Screws.
not spell the word. I'm not. Alright, go ahead.
Wanna know the word? Tell me in the comments. Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Tell me the answer, guys. Spell it for me. May I wait for one to spell it?
Chiaroscuro.
Okay, you ready? Nothing in there for them put on face anyway. So come.
You know what? Try. Attempt it, please.
So me I go spell it.
Okay.
Chiaro. How she pronounce it again? Chiaro Screws. She said Chiaro. Chiaro Screws. My name is Shani Bernard and I'm a spelling bee champion. My word is Chiaro Screws. Okay guys, spell it with me. But don't know if it's a K or a Q.
Spell
Some
the
just
word.
have to spell the word. Chiaro. Alright. Don't say that yet. I'm gonna spell it two way. Wait. I just want to work it out. K-I-R Chiaro. K-I-A-R-O. Screw. S-C-S-Q-U-R. Wrist. I-S. Or Q-U. Q-R. Is English?
It's an artist who specializes in.
Q-R. So Q-U-A-R-O. Q-R. Anyone of them there, right?
It's like how you did give me that C word, eh? So it starts with that C. C-H is silent.
Chiaro.
C-H-I-A-R-O S-C-U-R-I-S-T. chiaroscuro.
What is it? Squeeze it up. Squeeze it up, come on, squeeze it. You can't lick it out. I'm gonna get ready this time.
Guys, before she don't kill me off, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.